Think your ear is just for earrings and hearing? Think again? It's a masterpiece of bioengineering. Here are 10 parts of your outer ear you've probably never paid attention to, and what they actually do. 1. Antihelix. That second ridge, it boosts sound reflection. 2. Scapha. This groove helps catch sound like a satellite dish. 3. Darwin's Tubercle. A tiny bump from our primate ancestors' eye. 4. Tragus. Helps you tell where sound is coming from, front or back. 5. Triangular fossa. Acts like a sound filter. 6. Helix crus. Shapes how sound bounces into your ear canal. 7. Supratragus notch. You probably never noticed it, but it's there. 8. Intertragus notch. Favorite spot for piercings. 9. Antihelix crus. Adds acoustic depth. 10. Earlobe. No cartilage, just soft tissue, but full of nerve endings. Your ear isn't just a flap, it's a high-performance sound processor. This is educational content. Subscribe for more wild facts about human anatomy you've never heard before.